we cannot deny that COVID-19 is the largest impetus to digitalisation of healthcare. Overnight, everything became digital. There were no whole of hospital command center that really looks at patient flow, tracking where the patients were coming in from, how long they stayed in the hospital, and how many patients we need to discharge from the hospital in order to meet the incoming patients. And I think this is where the hospital command center is very unique. The first of its kind, I would probably say, that looks entirely at a flow management system rather than an inventory management system. Very often the mindset is about inventory management, managing X number of beds, managing X number of patients. But if you take a flow management system approach, it's not about managing quantity of inventory. And I think the hospital command center helps to facilitate that care of the patient by making sure that the patient flow is a smooth one. The hospital command center is designed to be as patient-centric as possible, taking into consideration the patient experience at different touch points in the organisation. I think for patients who are highly immobile, especially those who are bedbound and have difficulties going to the healthcare provider, what digital health can really do is to bridge that physical distance by bringing the healthcare provider to the patient itself. With COVID-19, you'll find that a lot of the elderly who were once digitally naive are now very proficient in scanning QR codes, in using the handphone. And that already sets a baseline for us in terms of using digital devices for teleconsultation. In the past, there is a huge knowledge gap. But with information and materials out there in the public domain, and with a lot of self-monitoring devices, actually, the consumers are highly empowered to even monitor their own health. And that puts the power of healthcare back into the hands of the consumer. So I think moving ahead with the mindset change and with the ability to embrace and democratize digital health, consumers are really the winners of the entire change in this whole ecosystem.